The power waiting for the hands of the delegates to nominate who they are, that is who will carry their various flags for the various parties, and when it comes to election. And they will come to ask very important questions. Say, a lot of things they happen during this kind of period. Delegates, as it be right now, power, the kind of power in their hand, they're strong. And the way they take go about choosing this particular candidate who will carry their flag, China where we say we go actually feel reflect within the party want, or perhaps within the people want. I'll also tell them, say, we'll get a bonga guest, veteran broadcaster. This one I say, once you see, I go know big meat. And when I mean big meat, but if they compare to elephant, to huge. I will talk about veteran broadcaster, Uncle Jimi Disu. Uncle Jimi Disu, welcome to As E Dey Hot.
This one way they call me big meat, so nobody. I'm saying nobody say you won't go come out for can begin.
No, I don't read that level.
But you be senior man, and we know.
But when you say I be like elephant, it's a big meat.
So Uncle JD, we could just go straight into the conversation.
Yes.
First off, make we start with your reaction to the breaking news. Say Oga Peter Obi when be, one of the candidates, one of the leading aspirants. If we check all the political parties inside Nigeria and check the way when we say take do movement, some people buy form since the day when they buy form. Now only when they submit and we hear anything about them, we don't hear any other thing again. But him, we've been seeing him as in they travel around Nigeria. I think he completed 35 states. They say like only Adamawa, now he no go because he just looks okay because of the respect when he get for Alhaji Atiku Abubakar, make him no go there, make it be say they can't do and who or they go talk to them anyhow. But he cover many of the states for the country, discuss with delegates, interact with them, consult with them. What will be your reaction to the breaking news? Say he don't resign in membership of PDP and he don't talk say that presidential primary of PDP he no go participate inside.
This one where you want make a talk now. You want cheat my fans for 7 o'clock tomorrow, but I go talk.
Yeah, you go talk.
I go give you to stop this man from having an appetite for me.
Yes.
But talking seriously, what thing I see for this thing is say Peter Obi, the aspiration where he gets, that's the way they in Bele where he say he want to do president. Now for real. Because a lot of us they think before say he not ready to settle to be vice president to this man, Atiku
Abubakar.
So maybe it is because when Atiku self, when he launched in his own campaign, Peter Obi did there. So the thing when they think say, okay, maybe he just try to gather people, do everything, say he and Atiku go combine. But as he don't leave the party now, go as we they hear Labour Party, they never confirm as well Labour Party. Now you know say these Labour Party people, now another set of politicians where they come together. But to tell me all these big
Femi Falana,
all of them they come together. They say they want to do party, we go salvage Nigeria. How that party go do for grassroots, only time go tell. Whether our people go vote for money or then go vote for ideas, only time will tell. But the sign, when we see for primaries, we say, if like say our people don't they wise. If they offer you the money, grab them. Now your money they offer you. But vote for the right person. To me, you see the result of some of the primaries, the big giants where they fall. And the people where they ask for their money back. So what did I get from that Peter Obi resignation? We say in desire to become president is real.
Okay.
It's real. And he's a man to be watched. Personally, me, I respect Peter Obi well. But I know they make anybody, they won't put Peter Obi for say now Eastern candidate from the East. He don't pass that. Peter Obi is an international figure. Very intelligent. Make I use big word for
free.
Highly cerebral.
This a big book.
This a big book. He go the translator for me. Highly cerebral. So he give us hope. It be like say this election where we go do, the debate go sweet it goes sweet. People, person we don't fit stand well. We don't fit talk well. We don't fit talk to people, talk the better thing. Then go fall apart, then go fall aside. So I'm happy as I see that one. I'm happy.
So Uncle JD, make we just move, go the main cocoa of our conversation, but we'll build them small. Make we start from this level. As somebody when we say don't live outside Nigeria, you don't see how things they happen for other parts of the world, especially for parts of the world where we say people go agree, say if we check government and their own democracy, things they work the way when we say it's supposed to work. Make I ask you about our own system here for inside the border Nigeria. The process of people coming together to say, okay, oh, now this person I go represent our political party. Truth be say, as Nigeria did like this today, no matter how good you did, you know if you come and talk, say, I want to run for office on my own, you must be member of political party. And people always they complain, say, many of these our political parties, they don't get ideology. Now Baba Sokwe, now who then talk, say, make it enter. Now who they want, now the person will enter. And sometimes, not be always the best person, now in them they choose. I won't ask you, you think, say, you get anywhere we will do our own system, make it day different. Where it be say, indeed, now the very best, now you go fit stand for these political parties so that Nigerians go look, say, okay, oh, out of all the options when we get better people to vote for. First off, they asked the chairman of one political party, he said the reason why their own form they high, now to come out the unserious people. So you mean say person when they serious, but you don't get 100 million, you not go fit participate for the process. How you think this particular matter?
You see, make I first of all talk, say, Nigerians themselves, we get problem. No system where we fit fight for this country where it go work because we be selfish people. We know they think of other, but they always think of ourselves, how much money I go make. And until we realize that even the money where it is saying you go make, you not go enjoy them. If you do not make space for other people and stand by the truth, we will continue to have problems. If not, waiting there for direct primaries, we say, make every ward. Make them say, okay, on the 27th of waiting call. Why they talk like wicked? So on the 27th of May, make everybody go in ward.
All the members.
All the members line up and vote. This exercise can be done in less than 1 hour. And they transmit the results to the center. And you know your candidate. But because of the Nigerian system, they not talk. They say, okay, indirect primaries. Indirect, they say, okay, make all of us sit down, choose delegates. But you and I know saying the people know they choose delegates. Now governor go choose delegates. Now senator go choose delegates. Now chairman go choose delegates. Now party elders, all the big people that them go to. Now so we they do everything for our own side. Now Pafuka, everything they get K-leg. So don't be say all these systems no good. It's good. In fact, the direct primaries would have been the best, but Nigerians then go dabaru everything. That is where the cocoa is. So, a delegate where they no choose properly. Let's talk of indirect. Abi? Okay, so you want to choose delegate, make them go represent you, but your hand no dey inside. He no say no, he no get business with you, he get business with the chairman, he get business with the governor. Now money matter. You cannot get anything good out of it.
True.
That is where we did now. That is one of the reasons I am sure why Peter Obi is leaving the PDP. He don't see him.
Uncle Jedi, no vex, before I go allow Nkubi carry on. On top of our screen like this, we get breakdown of the two major political parties inside Nigeria, the ruling All Progressives Congress and the major opposition People's Democratic Party. Now, within there our screen, now the APC geopolitical breakdown. If you check the 6 geopolitical zones, this is now the number of local governments when they and the delegates. For Northwest, 186 local government area. If we go by the 3 people from every local government, this one will give us 558. For Southwest, 137 will give us 411 delegates. For South-South, 123 will give us 369 delegates. For North Central, 121 local governments will give us 363 delegates. For Northeast, 112 local governments will give us 336 delegates. And for Southeast, 95 local governments will give us 285 delegates. Now, if we do addition of all these delegates, then from 558, 411, 369, 363, 336, 285. Now, these people go produce the person when that political party, All Progressives Congress, go carry say, now this person, now him be the candidate of our party. It makes sense, say, for a political party, only 2,322 people, if we go by the fact, say, statutory delegates don't participate, now then they choose the man when we say the whole country go come vote for. Is it fair on the country people?
Even if the delegate is fair, even if the delegate now 1 per zone, make we get 4 zones. As long as the process will produce the delegates, they fair. Do you get what I'm saying? as long as the process will produce the delegates they fair, maybe now for them to represent.
But in this situation, you know they're fair now. Because everybody complain, say they tamper with the list. If you're direct primary, everybody will come out. You don't know who popular.
That has to do with the people. That's what I'm saying.
Okay, Uncle Jimmy,
you get them?
Yes. Make I quickly bring her from this angle. You mentioned something about people making their choices earlier on about people say, okay, their mentality about some of these elections now don't change. Okay, if we look at all these delegates now, and we know say very well, out of these delegates, get people for their church mind say, where we say this particular candidate, whether they collect a particular money for, whether they don't give tips, they make them go vote for. Their conscience no agree with. Probably their conscience no agree to say they will vote for this person. And this one, going by the fact say governors, now then they decide, or probably they appoint this delegate.
Whoever be the powerful person, yes.
At the point of that electing or probably voting, share this same governor or this same person you appointed, they follow you go vote. Should be now you go top. I mean, you get one particular spirit where they follow you. Maybe don't take oath to the person until say, okay, if you vote wrongly, see what you go happen to you. That same conscience where you don't agree, say, okay, this person might not be, but I don't collect money. Make I vote for the person. Sir.
Nkubi.
Sir.
How many times I call you?
Last night 3 times, sir.
You don't know, say, for some places, then they take oaths. You see, say, then doesn't pick anybody for road, make it go. You see, say, somebody like me, the political party, I go be delegates. The people when they do delegate, most of them, they go on errand. Either then go monitor them vote till the last man, or then go take oaths.
They say some of them, then they put them for hotel.
This now money, then go put them for hotel, then go seize them, then go feed them, then go give them money. Now, make I not tell you, you know, say delegate, they do returns.
Returns.
All of us, the party. In be governor. Me, I be Baba Motum for party. You won't be delegate. I go to tell you, say, Nkubi, if you go to that delegate, the money where this man will give you, you must drop when you come back. The thing na rackets. The thing will go save us in this country. And the people know, say, na ain't go save us. Now, make them make it possible for you to contest without being a member of a political party. In that case, in your area, the people in your area, if you stand up, say, now, Nkubi, we want to make you be a local government chairman. You don't need to go anywhere, go beg anybody. Your people will sponsor you, vote for you, and that will be it. And it can go on and on and on like that. Remember, I say, to a large extent, that MK Abiola na fund the own election. So it is possible to have a candidate who don't belong to any party, make it win election. But for as long as we put this party thing inside.
But could you may I ask you, is it possible make the people decide who their candidate could be? Where we say, and
it go there possible. The moment when our own people too know they vote for one party, because my people for the Southwest go say APC na our party. How you be your party? My people for East go say Afghan na my party. How you be your party? These people they dabaru everywhere. You say they be your party. I hear my people go say, make we go as leader where we they go. You don't know where you want to go. So now we be our own enemy. And there is nothing stopping people of like minds where you know say this. If you see say these people they dabaru everything, make you go form your own party. Or go align with another party. Like I said, like I the joke sometimes, party even day for hire. If I want to run for this thing, I feel beg, make you borrow me you hear what happened today. They never announced that. But you hear what happened today for PDP for Lagos. That's on another story entirely. So it is the resolve of our people. The resolve of our people where we say they're not going to sleep like my people. So all of them not going to sleep in the same direction. Which kind of politics will they do where we say you go get governor from one party, all the members of the House of Assembly of that state will come from that same party? Who they do that one? If you don't know, if you never see before, you know they see for Sky News when they do parliament. You know they hear of a Republican, Democrat, and this and that.
Yes.
But go to the states now. You go get governor from this party.
Yes.
All members of the House of Assembly.
From that same party.
In fact, all of them would have been nominated by the governor himself.
Okay.
is Nigeria ready for real democracy?
Very important question. Now you don't
Are the people themselves, as Nigerians, are we ready
for real democracy?
And they hear people they talk say, Jimi Disu, now you know the now you go tell us. Then go let her inside. You sit back in your comfort of your house or discomfort because at the time when they talk, say, you not get NEPA, you not get water, you not get anything. That fire never burn you. Be say make you go talk to we not agree. This time, hey, people, landlords association, all of them get together and say we don't want this man or we want this man. All of them go sit down for house. You go they listen to radio. Make the person they talk, speed full ground. They're not going to do anything. So the question where we need to ask ourselves in this country, are we ready to insist on the government that we want? These people are not spirits. These people are a small percentage. The percentage of politicians to the rest of us is not this 5%. Yet all of us go sit down, they look. You go sit down, they look.
So this one an indication say, no matter how they take do for that political party, who them bring come, if the people decide say that the right person, now be this so, and now we want that person.
I am looking forward in 2023 to see 2023 to see protest votes. When they go talk, my people in Lagos go talk say, okay, for this this House of Reps, now this man we want, now Abga, we want him.
No be the case
how the same, ask yourself, how the same party go they win across the board in one state? Look at all this Amuwo area, all those areas. It's filled with my brothers from the east. How come I never hear? Maybe it don't happen. I never see somebody from the east make a win better election in that place.
And nobody said they no get people.
Nobody said that when it's time to vote, my brothers there go carry motor begin go. Is go vote for Abga for East, but you live in Lagos.
Uncle Jedi, make we just quickly share this information. Ogashe Usani, when he don't do work as senator for this our country before, on top of in Twitter, he been share message yesterday. He say one man will lose House of Reps ticket for Kaduna. Say the man carry vigilante and hunters. They go from one delegate house to the other
to collect the money.
To collect the money back. He say, according to the tweet, he say, a man who has lost the House of Reps ticket in Kaduna has recovered over 100 million from delegates this evening using vigilantes and hunters. If somebody will want contest for House of Reps, get 100 million naira to share to delegates, he don't really show, say, these are our political parties, them. They don't care about the people. That one are number one. You get another one where People's Gazette share. They say, son of former Vice President, Namadi Sambo. Say that one, he shares 78 million, but now only 2 votes. I mean, get. Say, they call the ask, say whether when he share the thing, he no collect receipt from the people. And they no give a warranty. Say, this money you are sharing will last until after the election. If you like say money don't go. But this million who they hear now for delegates, Uncle Jerry.
You know, see the one we faint for Delta.
As they call the result, the thing he just faint. Even Dino Mela himself, he lose the own, he say na gang up against him.
Happy. Now him be say, and I thank my Lord today. Now be say all these students where we they talk for the past 30 years, we not talk in vain. Our people, and I had said it before, maybe not suffering, I go open our eye. You don't say this is not good for town at all now. And our people don't they look say the money where you go say you go collect for this period, you go come day for fasting and prayer for another 4 years. And this is and Ramadan by force. The eye don't they open. So we not say we don't they talk say before make them not take, tell them make them come with the money, but we say people they hungry, so it's okay. Take, but do the right thing.
Do the right thing.
Yes.
It has shown now that it can be done. Let it be replicated. That word is true. Help me.
Make the thing show for other level.
Make them repeat the same thing.
The same thing.
My brothers and sisters, if they give you money for 2023, if hunger blow you, take them.
But do the right thing.
Take them. If they say make you come swear, nothing will happen. Anybody when need to do it for the something, I go give them.
How many people want swear?
No, they know as they do them. They know as but now I thought say if I don't say I put if but take the money. I don't tell you make it not take. I'm for happy we say make I take, but you go say, oh God, Jimmy, you know say you get where you they get your money. So if you talk that one, so okay, fair enough. Take the money, but do the right thing.
One of the right things when we go do on top of As E Dey Hot. now to open our phone lines. Make una call us from different parts of Nigeria to Chukman for the conversation. What would they get this evening? What do you think of this breaking news? Say one of the aspirants on the platform of the People's Democratic Party for presidency for 2023, Oga Peter Obi, don't come out in hand for the party. He say no one do the party again, and he no go participate for their presidential primaries. He don't send a letter. We been read what did the letter contain when we start the show. And what do you think of this system where we say now delegates, now then go come and come choose the person where we say the political party go come present to us to vote for. Remember what we talk, not only 2 parties there is Nigeria. This is the time for you to also do your own research now.
Yes.
Go find out which candidate, which party, who make we vote for. So that now the right people now we go put. Any mistake again for 2023, the suffering will be plus 4 years. Oh. And I don't say the way Nigeria day, person when don't win 4 years. Chances they saying go win another 4 years. If you go do 8 years, check your age now. Check your age 8 years from now or 8 years from 2023. Our phone lines don't be open. We'll go break, come back.
Now don't look at from the first phase who don't go. The matter actually they very hot. And we still get our veteran guest and our veteran broadcaster, Oga Jimi Disu. And our phone line they very open. And right now I think we'll get somebody with their telephone line. Hello, good evening.
Hello, my brother, Nkubi.
Oga David will greet you.
Okay, David, how Taraba today now?
My brother, I agree to now. Where? How about now?
Okay, David, I ask you how Taraba today. I hear say una governor say.
Okay, Taraba, they fine. They the election. They did the election.
Congratulations on una governor. Congratulations on una governor when they go Senate.
Yes, that's true. But the man don't know who now. Now they talk to the
but that Senate when they go, the thing they sweet una for Bele. Taraba people, they sweet una.
Hello, that's true. Hello?
Will you hear Oga David?
I say Oga Darius Ishaku when one go Senate after he do 8 years as governor. He dey sweet Taraba people for Bele. Una dey jubilate.
Yes. Okay. Well, you know, this one politics and everybody do the one. When you don't try best, you go. Okay. They want to go continue for that.
Oga David, no way your contribution for the matter.
So my contribution for this matter is say we still say they go on for this our nation. It gets very clear for the say the so-called people they call themselves politics and say them they won't contest. They don't get the love of the people for hand. If not, everybody they see them as lucrative business. Later, how can somebody bring how many millions of naira just because of say one contest or one drive the city? So it shows that when you go there and also they harvest the money, you don't go work for the people. So the thing there they say, it's just unfortunate that and we Nigerians come there somehow because we know they remember things where they don't happen. Somebody will come give you small 2,000 naira, 5,000 naira, even worse case 10, 20,000 naira. And that is the end of it. You forget what the person don't come. You say, I don't call them like here. Now, unless they go back, if you look at our democracy today.
All right, Oga David, thank you very much for your contribution. I beg, if you call us, just go straight to the conversation. Remember, when they talk, say 1 year, what do you think about this Peter Obi resignation from the People's Democratic Party? And he talk, say, he no go participate for the primaries. And also, what do you think of this delegate system where we say, now people go choose those where the party go come talk, say, okay, oh yeah, we are the jersey of our political party, so that we go fit, you know, they go straight to the point. Just once you connect us, just talk your mind as they concern what you want to talk. Our phone lines don't they on top of our screen. So I get people where we say specifically, then they talk, say, make we call out our phone lines. One of them na Abednego. Abednego na visually impaired person. He not they see, but he they hear, and he they follow As E Dey Hot. Now one of our ardent followers since we start for November 10, 2014. So because of Abednego and so many other people where we say, then they watch As E Dey Hot because of the love where they get for this country and for the show. I go call out the phone numbers. Now understand why we call the numbers now, Abi? So just write them down, share them with your loved ones, and give anybody if you contribute for As E Dey Hot. 08090318940. This same number now, just carry on like that. When you can reach the end, just come out the 31. Just put them ahead. Put 30 instead of 40. Put 30 for the back of the number, so that you will call and talk your mind as they consider this matter. So, Uncle JD, make I come back to you. Make we discuss, because the way when we say 2023 day like this now, we get plenty Nigerians when they show interest for election. But it be like everybody now, the focus not just presidential election. Some people don't forget, say we get governors, we get senators, we get those where we go House of Reps and Lagos State, and the State House of Assembly. But I would like make we emphasize on the importance of people following all those particular ones. Or we get somebody where they call us from Lagos. Welcome to As E Dey Hot.
Taiwo.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening, Taiwo.
Good evening, sir. As E Dey Hot.
Yes.
Well. Talk your mind.
Okay, as for me, what in my mind they say? So, is this how 40 million naira we be pay for PDP for presidential election? So now like this, the 40 million will just go, or then go refund them back. Because I don't understand.
They're not going to refund them.
Okay.
Well,
That's just my own.
you don't buy the form, you don't buy the form.
They're not going to refund them.
They know they're refundable. I won't believe say no they refundable because already don't buy the form. And I know say we don't fill the form as well.
Go down submit them already now. We even get party where we say even put
Say no return.
Say me say if the party no choose me, I no go complain, I no go court. Some even put them inside 100 million naira form. They hide them inside. And when you don't buy the form, come they fill and come reach the last page. Now you come and say, but you don't already transfer 100 million. Your money don't go. Uncle Jerry, make I come back to you. It be like saying now only president, now everybody they focus on. I go like make you emphasize on the importance of all other positions so that you don't go be like saying that just president will they vote for 2023.
You know, if to say we understand as politics be, and waiting Oyibo they call balance, we're supposed to do the political system. But we know understand them. Even the political parties then go say we are looking up to the governor who to decide